Tomato. This is Lightning McQueen. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. This is Frightening McQueen. Wow. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Miss Fritter. Wow. Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah. This is Red. Wow. This is Jackson Storm. This is Lightning McQueen. Friend. Bulldozer. Yeah. Oh, Cow Tractor. Tomato. This is Lightning McQueen. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, this is Red. Wow.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot.
This is Miss Fritter. Wow.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection. Oh,
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
You have jumped a barrier. You have made 2 vehicles.
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
Here comes a nice fresh corn.
pour it on.
Oh, you got it.
This is Frightening McQueen. Wow.
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen.
Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Who is that? Sally! Haha! Sally! Haha! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Request acknowledged.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Tomato! Wow! This is Sheriff! Yeah!
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine!
Sheriff! Yeah! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah! Doc Hudson! Yeah! Oh my god, it's smoky! Yeah!
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old and
I heard him.
You'll never be as fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
It's smoky! Yeah! Who is that? Ramon! Wow!
Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Ramon! Wow! This is Mac! Wow! This is Mac!